this video, I'm going to unlock the secret to seamless audio experiences with Active Noise Cancellation, or ANC, on your Beats Studio 3 headphones. Imagine transforming any noisy environment into your personal concert or quiet study room. That's the power of ANC at your fingertips. I'll guide you through how this innovative feature works, how to effortlessly activate it, and what it means for your headphones' battery life. So, whether you're surrounded by the hustle and bustle of city life or seeking solace in your own space, let's dive into making your audio experience with Beats Studio 3 truly immersive. ANC stands for Active Noise Cancellation. It's like having a volume knob for the world around you. The Beats Studio 3 headphones use microphones to pick up outside noise and then create opposite sound waves to cancel it out. It's perfect for immersing yourself in music or podcasts without outside distractions. First, make sure your Beats Studio 3 headphones are connected to your Android device. If it's your first time, you'll need to pair them through the Bluetooth settings. Once paired, open the Beats app. You'll see your headphones and their settings right away. Look for an icon that looks like a profile with a semicircle over the head. That's your ANC control. Simply tap this icon to toggle ANC on or off. The app makes it super easy with a clear option to activate or deactivate noise cancellation without any fuss. Apple has made managing ANC on your Beats Studio 3 just as straightforward. First off, ensure your headphones are paired with your iPhone. To toggle ANC, you don't need to dive into any menus. Just quickly press the power button on your headphones twice. It's that quick. You'll know ANC is active when the LED light below the B logo on the left ear cup lights up. If you prefer using an app, the Beats app for iOS provides a digital way to control ANC, offering the same simple toggle feature. Let's talk about the magic of Active Noise Cancellation, or ANC, in your Beats Studio 3 headphones. Imagine sitting in a bustling coffee shop trying to lose yourself in your favorite tunes or focus on work. ANC is like your personal bubble of silence. It cleverly picks up outside noise and cancels it out, letting you dive deep into your music or work without any interruptions. This not only helps you concentrate better, but also lets you keep the volume down, protecting your ears. It's like having your own quiet zone wherever you go. So whether it's the constant hum of a plane or the buzz of city traffic, ANC has got you covered. But hey, no tech is perfect, right? While ANC is a game changer, it does have a few quirks. First off, it loves power. With ANC turned on, your headphones will last about 22 hours, but turn it off, and boom, you're up to 40 hours. Something to think about for those long trips, or if you're prone to forgetting your charger. Also, ANC prefers the steady, low drones like an AC unit, so it might get a bit selective, not blocking those sudden, loud noises. And a few folks might feel a slight pressure in their ears with ANC on. It's just how the tech works. Plus, a handful might experience a bit of dizziness or notice a tiny dip in sound quality. So it's all about finding that sweet spot for your listening comfort and battery life. That's it for this video. You're now well equipped to master Active Noise Cancellation on your Beats Studio 3 headphones, ensuring an immersive audio experience wherever you are. I hope this guide has shed light on how ANC works, its benefits, and how to use it effectively without draining your battery. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tech tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you might have, so feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for tuning in, and I can't wait to bring you more helpful content in the next video. Goodbye!